In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export from Trello to Excel or CSV, including Trello checklists and advanced checklists. This is a fantastic skill to have if you're looking to manage your data more effectively across different platforms. So, let's dive right in. First, let's go to your Trello board. Open up your preferred web browser and log into Trello, navigating to the specific board you want to export. Once you're there, you're going to need a tool to make the export possible. In Trello, this is facilitated by power-ups. So what you want to do next is click on the Add Power-ups button. This will lead you to a collection of third-party tools designed to enhance your Trello experience. Once you have the power-ups page open, it's time to search for the board export functionality. Type board export into the search bar and you'll be presented with options that match your needs. Look for the board export tool and click on Add. It might ask you to sign up or log in at this point if you haven't already, so go ahead and do that. Then click on Take Me to My Board to return to your Trello board. With the board export power-up now installed, you can see it as an option on your board. Click on it to begin the export process. Next, you'll see an export button. Go ahead and click it. Now it's all about selecting what you want to export. You can choose a specific list or all the lists. If you wish to include archived cards, make sure to select the option to include them in your export. When you're ready, click on Export Lists. You'll be prompted to select the file type you prefer. We'll choose CSV as this is highly compatible with Excel and many other platforms. Next, you'll have an option to carefully choose the fields you want to export. You can either select all fields or individually pick the fields that are most relevant to your needs. This flexibility allows you to streamline your export process, ensuring that you only get the information you intend to analyze further. After you've made your selections, the final step is to click on Export to download your file. Now you've got your Trello data neatly compiled into a spreadsheet format that's easy to manage, analyze, and share with your team or stakeholders. Thanks for tuning in to learn about exporting from Trello to Excel or CSV. We hope this guide was helpful and provided you with the necessary steps to streamline your data management process. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. Happy exporting!